So you log in into your ICICI bank account. In investments, click on invest online. In online IPO, click on invest now. Proceed. Accept terms and conditions. Submit. Proceed. Click on go. Depository CDSL. We'll enter the DP account number, which is a 16-digit number. For Upstox, it's this, and for Groww, it was this. Enter the DP account number, DP name. In bid 1, cutoff price, number of shares 26, that is 2 lots. Submit. Accept terms and conditions. Confirm. This is a transaction receipt number. You can later view it by going to order book. And you can see application has been ordered. This is the application number. Later the status should change to executed if you have done everything right. Once allotment results are out, even PAN verification status changes to verification successful, and over here you can see the number of shares you have been allotted. Unfortunately, I was not allotted any, but if I were allotted any shares, it would have come in my Demat account and I would have traded it using my respective broker, that is Upstox or Groww. Hope this video was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe. If you have any other queries, do ask in the comment section.